This dance is called Let's Dance. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, easy improve a level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, point the right forward, point the right to the side, into a sailor step, but you're going to come out of the sailor step and step forward, behind side step. Repeat all that with the left foot leading. Point the left forward, left to the side, sailor step, behind side, stepping forward. That set of steps once more then, off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, point, point, sailor step. Shuffle forward on the right, right shuffle. Now you're going to do 3 more sets of shuffles, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, making a complete turn to your left. So you're effectively going to do a third of a turn on each shuffle. So left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle gets you back to 12 o'clock. That set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Now yes, it is the equivalent of a full turn. If you need to try and take that out, the best thing to do is going to be, once you've done your right shuffle forward, do a bit of a shuffle around to the left, approximately sort of quarter-ish of a turn, then shuffle back on the right so that you do that extra quarter of a turn, so you're now facing 12 o'clock and shuffle forward on the left. So you kind of take out most of that turning. So you'll turn a bit left, turn a bit right, and then go straight forward. Probably the easiest way of trying to take those shuffles out. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Into some vaudeville steps. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on that diagonal, step the right beside the left, and repeat with the left. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, left heel forward on that diagonal, step the left back beside the right. Jazz box, half a turn with a step. So you cross the right over the left, step back on that left, make a half a turn right as you step the right forward, step forward on the left. Jazz box, half step. If you struggle to get round in that half a turn, because this music is quite speedy, just do it as 2 quarters as you're going round, okay? So if you can't do the cross, back, turn, step, do your cross, start the turn, quarter turn, step. Just some little sort of cheat steps if you're struggling to get that half a turn in. So that set of steps once more then. Vaudeville's off on the right. 7, 8, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, turn, step. Step forward on the right, Touch your left just behind the right. Step back on the left, kick your right. Into a coaster step, right foot leading. Point the left to the side. Touch the left beside the right. Touch your left heel forward. Hook the left over the right. Shuffle forward on the left. Do that slowly once more. Then we'll speed it up a little bit. Step, touch, back, kick off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step. Point, point, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Once more then, a little bit faster. Off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step. Point and heel, hook, left, shuffle. End of the dance when you get to that bit. Let's put it all together. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step. Point and heel, hook, left, shuffle. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Points off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So hopefully you can get a feel for the timing. Music has got a little bit of a pace to it, but I think it'll just help you get the steps in. So it is a 2-wall dance. Let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step. Point and heel, hook, left shuffle. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step. Point and heel, hook, left shuffle. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 little tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 3 and 6. Very difficult tags. Walk, walk. That's it. So you will have done your left shuffle and you literally walk, walk, start again with your points. So walls 3 and 6. Wall 3 is your front wall. Wall 6 is your back wall. So you'll be facing 6 o'clock when you do the first tag. You'll be facing 12 o'clock when you do the second tag. So let's just do wall 3, add on the tag and restart. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step. Point and heel, hook, left shuffle. Tag, walk, walk. Restart. restart, point, point, sailor step, point, point, sailor step. So that's your tags. Walk, walk, 1, 2, single count timing. Now this dance also has a restart in it. The restart comes on wall 7 after 24 counts. So you will have just done your jazz box half step and you restart. Wall 7 is our 12 o'clock wall. So let's take you up to the restart point, restart the dance. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step, restart, point, point, sailor step. So that's your restart point. Wall 7 after 24 counts. So that's it, that's your dance, that's your walkthrough. It's your tag and restart information. So tag, wall 3, end of wall 3, walk, walk. Get back to wall 6, end of wall 6, tag, walk, walk. Following wall is your restart wall, 24 counts, restart. Now for those who like something just a little bit different, you can actually do this dance as a contra dance. So if you've got somebody with you that you want to actually dance with, learn the dance and then just for a little bit of variety, get them to face the opposite way and align your left shoulders. Make sure you've got a little bit of a gap between them so that when you do your sailor steps you don't end up bumping into each other. But align your left shoulders and you can actually do it as a contra dance facing different directions. Otherwise, that is your dance. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle. Right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster step. Point and heel, hook, left shuffle. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle. Right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster step. Point and heel and left shuffle. Point, point, sailor step. Point, point, sailor step. Shuffles. To tag wall. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster step. Point and heel, hook, left shuffle, tag, walk, walk, restart. Point, point, sailor step. Right shuffle, left shuffle. Right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross. Back, turn, step. Step, touch, back, kick, coaster step. Point and heel, hook, left shuffle. Points. Shuffles. Bell. Step touch. Place. To next tag wall. Shuffles. Baby bells. Step touch. Walk, walk, restart. To restart wall. Shuffles. Middle. Restart. Point. fabulous step.
Let's dance all night long. I don't care if I ever get home. Keep playing those good old songs. Let's dance, pass that bottle around. Let's bring up the sun when the morning comes. Let's dance all night long. Let's go.
Hope you managed that one.